You can't get up! Ah!
Of working parents. In fact, it's been 12 years since CBS.
Reporting to you live at 9:37 p.m. on Tuesday night. I've been walking around downtown Chicago and I haven't seen a soul. No cars, no people, everyone is staying inside. And let me tell you, they're doing the right thing. Stay inside, don't go outside. I mean, you know that movie I Am Legend? I feel like Will Smith being the last person on Earth. So let me tell you, just stay inside, cook up some chicken noodle soup, and watch the movies, because there ain't a soul out.
Job, I'm sure you're supposed to either go, that for one thing. The question's at 2 o'clock this afternoon because businesses were closing early at the store started.
Oh, wait, the Browns are going overtime. You gotta realize that people can't see you. You can't be in the way of the plows, because that could be a disaster.
It's going to take longer than usual because most airlines that are here.
Oh my gosh, I just wish I had a little warning. I mean, Facebook wasn't even talking about a blizzard or anything, and I am just not ready for this.
This right here used to be a car. I'd call it a sledding hill now. Come on, kids, come on! If you could describe this blizzard in 3 words, what words would they be?
Can I use punctuation?
Yeah.
Astounding.
Astounding.
Frightening.
Frightening.
Fun.
Those are great words. What got you out of bed today?
What got me out of bed was the fact that I live near here and I'd been up almost a whole night watching stuff out my windows. All the things that
you saw the thunder, snow, the lightning?
Oh God, yes, all 3 times.
Yeah.
And, well, yes. And so I really honestly didn't get to sleep until almost 7 o'clock this morning.
Wow.
I was up the whole night, so then I said, okay, fine. I just woke up like around 12 o'clock.
I can watch the news, like, when there's weather like this, you can watch the news for hours. They say the same thing over and over again.
Yes, they do.
But you're just glued to it, you know?
Yes, yes you are. And no matter where the storm takes place, people say the same thing,
That's
they're doing the same things, but somehow we sit and look.
They're calling this the snowpocalypse, right?
Apocalyptic?
Snowpocalypse, that's right. That's what they're calling it. The blizzard of 2011.
Yeah, I know.
It's gonna be a day we remember.
Yes.
But surprisingly, look there's lots of people out.
Yes, they are, and almost all of them have cameras.
Yeah, taking pictures. Yeah, look at this guy.
Oh God, that's so funny. Hold on. Let me get you with your arms up. Gotcha. Wonderful. Thank you.
Yep. There are people outside today. As you can see, people are not staying inside at all times. They are walking through the alleys, going to stores. Not very many open, but people are continuing on with life. They are not gonna let this snow keep them down.
Hey, we're down to Carpenter Street.
Carpenter Street? I know, look at it. Unrecognizable.
No, this is Carpenter Street right here.
Take a look.
Yeah, small one.
We're actually making a documentary about this snowstorm. Can we ask you a few questions?
Sure.
Alright. If you could describe the storm in 3 words, what would they be?
One word, terrible.
Terrible, that's right.
Terrible.
Did you guys hear the thunder snow last night?
Yeah.
Did you see the thunder lightning?
Yeah.
Me too. I thought it was my stomach, but it's much louder than that, so yeah.
But I think they announced that they will have some thunder snow, right?
Yeah. How many inches do you think we got?
What do you think? Over
How many inches? How much snow?
At least 10.
Knee high?
At least 10, I think.
10?
Maybe.
10? I think this is like 18.
15, maybe.
Well, stay warm, you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Snowpocalypse.
Yeah, they're calling it the Snowpocalypse.
Oh,
that's what I've heard. Yes.
Snowpocalypse, yeah, that's a good one.
Chaotic, that's a good one. Snowball fight, that happened a lot last night.
Did you hear the thunder snow?
There was purple lightning actually.
Purple lightning, wow. Hello, is anybody there? I just want some pizza. So what are your views on this Blizzard 2011?
You know, it's nothing like 69, but it is incredible. It's just like Chicago was freaking out about this snowstorm like it's World War III or something. I mean, I go to the grocery store and almost everything is wiped out. I mean, I go to get some celery and there is no celery. What are y'all gonna do with celery? That's the only thing that was on my grocery list.
You have breakfast, Ava?
I had waffles.
Look up at the camera.
I had a waffle.
Waffle. I love waffles. Fred, do you like waffles?
I love waffles. A la mode with ice cream.
Extra syrup.
Alright, next we're gonna check out the Sears Tower. They still have the sign saying Sears, though it's called the Willis Tower. But we're gonna go on in and see if they're open. Alright, we're at the Sears Tower, and as you can see, due to the severe weather conditions, Sears on State will be closing at 6 p.m. on the 1st of February. As you can see, there are trenches all around Chicago. It reminds me of WW2, where people would have to hide in the trenches. Do you see this? Take a look.
This is a Blue Line train to downtown and O'Hare.
Yeah, man, I was running late for class today. I couldn't find my gloves, so I just had to use what I got. I was like, what can I use? So I went to the kitchen. I'm using oven mitts for my mittens.
That's a quick question.
Sure,
I can answer it. If you could describe the snowstorm in 3 words, what would they be?
Starting with 1.
Okay.
Awesome.
Awesome. Okay.
No school.
Yeah, that's true. Well, so awesome. No school.
3
What are you
words.
doing with your snow day today?
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing. Sounds good to me. See this car right here? I keep on hearing a knock. I think somebody's inside. I think we gotta get them out. Hello? Hello?
You had to choose 3 words to describe the blizzard of 2011. What would they be? Yeah, those are good. And what are you guys gonna do with that inner tube?
We're not sure yet. We're hoping to find.
Wherever you guys enjoy the weather and be safe. It's okay, Bill. It's not a bomb.
No, I don't.
It's not a bomb.
Thank you.
It's just an event planner.
Okay.
I'm not a robber, mugger.
No,
I'm not doing nothing bad.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm in a homeless shelter. I'm just trying to get myself a meal this afternoon. That's all.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
mind talking to us about the Blizzard 2011?
Oh yeah, man, this is crazy. You know what? You just gotta be prepared. That's all you gotta be, you know?
Well, how would you say to prepare for this? I mean, look at it.
Actually, well, like you gotta wear the right clothing. I think you gotta layer your clothing to stay warm. Actually, you know what? I'm wearing a couple layers of t-shirts actually. Let me should count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 layers of clothes. See, you gotta be prepared, that's all.
Alright, well, thank you. Stay warm.
Excuse me. We're making a documentary on this snow blizzard 2011. Can I ask you some questions? Okay, thank you.
I'm done.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not able to be tonight.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Whatever.
was crying in the van with my friend. It was for freedom.
As you can see over here, the scheduled Coldplay, it was sold out concert. Nobody showed up. Wow, that's a huge hill. Hey!
It's a fort inside.
Really? You can go inside it? We're making a documentary on this snowstorm. Do you mind being in it? Can I ask you some questions? What got you out of your house today?
We don't get this weather all the time. So, I mean, I'm not a stay-home person.
You just wanted to see what's going on?
Yeah, I'm a nature guy, so
Hey, wait. Visit bottom. Popo. So you have no destination, just kind of just taking a walk?
I'm actually going to my friend's place, but this is my second round.
Okay.
I went around the quad first, and
Did you hear the thunder snow?
Yeah, at night, last night. Yeah. That was the first time. Have you guys heard it?
I've never heard. Who knew? A lightning storm, thunder?
With snow.
That's unheard of.
All right.
Well, stay warm. Have a nice day.
You too.
Enjoy your banana.